Tension is looming in the St. Elizabeth Northeastern constituency following yesterday's runoff for a new standard bearer for the PNP. The party's Deputy General Secretary, Basil Waite's defeat of Councillor for the Balaclava Division, Everton Fisher, has not gotten down well with some supporters. Some are even hinting that they could switch allegiance when the general election is called in this one of the PNP's strongest constituencies. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Victory for the PNP's Deputy General Secretary Basil Waite on Sunday. Party supporters clearly in celebratory mode. But while Mr. Waite embraced his opponent, Councillor for the Balaclava Division Everton Fisher, there is a divide among PNP supporters in the St. Elizabeth Northeastern constituency.
Basil Waite run already.
So what are you saying about him?
Me not bash him because he's my PNP. But me, when me say him run with Skeffrey already, me never really support him, he support Skeffrey. But him run already. Fisher start off and driver. Driving Roger Clark in come Costa.
Respect to the man. Let the man do him thing. A Basil thing now. So all who now come with it, we said, me and some look at PNP over here talk about labor right thing. Labor not nothing to do over here, so. A PNP territory, this is a PNP territory forever.
All the labor them have to do a push out because them are going this now.
Sounds familiar? In fact, it is. In 2015, after the deselection of Raymond Price as the PNP candidate and the rise of Evan Redman, fiery PNP supporters threatened to go green. Statistics from the Electoral Office of Jamaica showed that in the 2011 general election, the PNP secured 9,566 votes to the JLP's 5,489, winning by over 4,000 in the St. Elizabeth Northeastern constituency. Then, in 2016, the JLP closed that gap with 6,209 votes to the PNP's 7,733. The PNP won then by a little over 1,500 votes. Also, another stunning finding. In 2016, over 700 people voted for independent candidates, the highest when compared to other divisions during the election.
A lot of persons coming on the voters list. I don't know if it's a migration from the neighboring constituencies such as Southeast. However, it is something that we have to look at, and all of us on the executive will have to look at it to see what is happening. Is it that Santa Cruz division is growing leap and bounds, or is it a migration problem? People coming over here to vote in order for the PNP to lose? We all have to sit down and look at that.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.